The glorious Quran, the last and final revelation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it has the solutions for the problem of humanity. If it is a revelation and last and final, and after that no other revelation will come, one of the requirements is it should have the solution for the problems of humankind. And the glorious Quran, it is the solution for the problems of humankind. It is the Furqan. It is the criteria to judge right from wrong. The glorious Quran has the solution for racism. Allah says in Surah Hujurat, chapter number 49, verse number 13, Ya ayyuhan nasu inna khalaqnakum min dhakarin wa unsa wa ja'alnakum shu'uban wa qaba'ila lita'arafu inna akramakum indallahi atqakum inna Allaha alimun khabir. O humankind, we have created you from a single pair of male and female and have divided you into nations and tribes so that you shall recognize each other, not that you shall despise each other. And the most honored in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the person who has taqwa. The criteria for judgment in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it's not color, it's not age, it's not wealth, it's not sex, it's not race, it is taqwa, it's God consciousness, it's piety. So Islam has the solution for racism. Islam has the solution of terrorism. One verse of the Quran is sufficient to prove that Islam is against terrorism and has the solution for terrorism. Allah says in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 32, if anyone kills a human being, unless it be for murder or for spreading corruption in the land, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. Allah says if any human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, kills any other human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, unless it be for murder or for spreading corruption, it is as though he has killed the whole of humanity. And the verse continues, if anyone saves any other human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, it is as though he has saved the whole of humanity. So this one verse of the Quran is sufficient to solve the problem of terrorism. Quran has the solution for inequality, for injustice. Allah says in Surah Nisa, chapter 4, verse number 135, that Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, O you believe, stand out for justice as witness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, even if it be against yourself, against your relatives, against your mother or father, against your parents, whether they be rich or poor. Allah protects all. So when you are giving witness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, irrespective whether the witness will go against yourself, against your parents, against your relatives, the rich or the poor, Allah protects all. Quran has the solution for alcoholism and drug addiction. Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Ma'idah, chapter number 5, verse number 90, Ya ayyuhallazina amanu, innamal khamru wal maisiru. O you believe, most certainly intoxicating gambling, wal anzabu wal azlamu, dedication of stones, divination of arrows, rishsum min amali shaitan. These are Satan's handiwork. Abstain from this handiwork that you may prosper. So the solution for alcoholism is, it is prohibited, it's haram.